During this video, we're going to discuss equipment and tools needed in order to complete your artificial turf installation. Firstly, you take your attention over here to this piece of equipment. This is a turf lifter. This can be hired from any reputable hire centre. Secondly, we have here our compactor. Again, another piece of equipment which can be hired from any reputable hire centre. Thirdly, over here we have our sand spreader. This piece of equipment, you can contact TigerTurf directly and we'll be able to give you more information about where you can purchase this. Lastly, we have here our power brush. Again, if you contact TigerTurf directly, we'll be able to give you more information. Right, we're now going to move on to our glues and gluing equipment. For smaller one-off installations, you're going to use a silicone gun and the Tiger Bond silicone cartridges. For larger installations or regular installers, you may want to consider purchasing our glue spreader. For more information on this piece of equipment, please contact TigerTurf directly. In addition to using this, you can either use the Tiger Bond cartridges, or we also do a two-part adhesive. This is a 5.5 kilo wet fix. In addition to using this, you will need to use a mixing paddle. Moving on again, we also have here the glue boat. This is for larger areas. With this, you will have to use the larger two-part adhesives. And finally, the last two pieces of equipment you'll need will be a standard craft knife and carpet kicker, both of which can be purchased from local DIY stores.